Good evening, Professor O'Neill. Welcome to week 3 of our Yummy project. Um, I can't say, and I'm not gonna lie, that overeating never happened to me. It happened many times, especially around holidays. I think I just want to let my, I just want to try everything at during the holidays, and I just give myself break, let it go, and just eat and try everything. But I have to say, yes, overeating happened once, maybe twice at the restaurant, and I said to myself, I will never do this again. um, Overeating doesn't feel good, and with me, it ends with being in a lot of pain. Stomach is in a lot of pain. I can't breathe. It ends without being able to even sleep. It doesn't even feel well the next day. My body is not taking overeating well. Even the next day, I am usually my hands are usually very swollen. that's that's the result the next day. My hands are very swollen. The head is not in the same place where it's supposed to be, like it is. And yes, it is horrible, horrible feeling. My stomach cannot take any more of treatment like this. My stomach takes just as you know already, my stomach can take only just a little bit at a time, a little bit of food at a time. And it's overeating. It's not a good idea. And I do not really recommend doing this. It's horrible. Um, Overeating happened to me, I think, at restaurant, like I have just mentioned a couple times, I think, maybe. And I said to myself, I will never, never do this again. And I restrained from going to restaurant and eating later at night. And I know that's really hard to even comprehend. I try really to restrain from going out to eat, especially later at night. I don't feel good afterwards the next day. It just, yes, my body is not reacting to this as gracefully as we would think. Um, so, all right. I know we just mentioned that I just overeat at the restaurant, and especially at the buffets. And I know it's probably hard to believe, and it's hard to comprehend how I can be able to stop myself from overeating at the buffets. But I usually do. I just choose food that it's easy to for our digestion at this point. I think if I'm at the bar, if it happens there is seafood, this is what I go for. And I really try to, at this point, just eat as much as I can and not overeat at the restaurants, especially when it's the bar available and to us, and we can help ourselves with everything we can. Well, I just want to thank you for this week. It was a great week. I had a fun answering questions, having discussion with our classmates. I had fun doing walks, and it actually felt awesome because that's the first time I'm trying to get into walking and get back into my exercise, and that I have gave up for quite a while. It's been really 2, 3, 4 years without getting any kind of exercise, and it does feels good. This walking feels good. So thank you very much, Professor. Have a good night, and Well, I hope I talk to you soon then.